Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiez Irfan bin Abu ZAHRIN, matric number 2016893. Now, I will present on how I do simulation bending using COMSOL. First, I go to Model Wizard, and then I choose 3D for the space dimension. And then I go to Structural Mechanics, and I choose Solid Mechanics, and then I add. For the next step, I go to Study here, and then I choose Stationary. After done with this, I click Done. And then this interface will come out. First, after this interface come out, I choose length unit and change from M to mm, which is millimeter, and the angular unit is still in degrees. After done this, I go to the geometry one here, and I right click and I choose the physical of the material, which in case I will choose the block. And then here is the interface after clicking the block. And then I choose the size and shape, which I change the width or the length, which I put 400 millimeters, and for the depth or the width, I choose 80 millimeters, and for the height, I choose 20 millimeters. And the base is in the corner for the position base. Axis is on the Z axis. And then I click Build Selected, and this block will come out. After done with the physical body of the material, and then I choose the materials for this specimen. After I choose materials, I go to Add Material, and then these options will come out, and then I go to the material library, click here, and then I go to iron alloys here, and I click here. And then I scroll down and I choose this one, 316L, iron alloy. And then I click here, and then I click here, and then I choose the first one of it. And then I click Add to Component. And this will come out. After done with the materials, I go to Solid Mechanics, I click on it, and I right click it, and I go to Fixed Constraint, and then I choose the surface to be fixed, which is the first surface. And then I go to Solid Mechanics again, I right click again, and then I go to the Boundary Load, and then I go to the sixth face of this block. As you can see here, the sixth face of it. And then I go to mesh one, check and think if it needs to be changed. The sequence type is same, physics control mesh, and the element size is normal. After done with all of this, I go to study one, and then I click on compute. And then I go back here in the boundary load, and then I choose here the force. The load type is total force. And on the Z axis, I put for the first specimen, I go with 10,000 Newton. And then I go back again to study one. And then I click compute. And then as we can see here, here is the block after the force has been exerted, which is highly exerted on this area of surface, which we can see it is dark red, and the area here is around yellow, and this one is blue, which which we can see from this scale, the red colored one is the highly exerted force, which you can see on this area here. And then, so that is all from me for this simulation bending. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.